Hey everyone, welcome back to Mail Smartly. If you are using Outlook and wondering why some of your emails are missing or you are not seeing anymore in your inbox, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to view all your emails in Outlook in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. So currently I'm using my Outlook on the web, and you will see in my inbox I have two folders. First is focused and other is other. Focused are those emails which are generally very much attended by the user, and other are such emails which are rarely used or opened by the user. So if I am looking for a specific email, and that email will be available in the other folder, and my selection is on the focused, so that email will be not visible in the focused inbox. So to change or to merge both the focused and the other inbox in a single folder, all I need to do is to simply go to this setting dialog box, which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Now here in the search, you simply need to type focused, and that will show you an option which is focused inbox. Click on it. You can also go there in the focus inbox by clicking on this mail and select the layout. Now here you will see, do you want Outlook to sort your emails to help you focus on what matters most? Here short messages into focus and other are selected. You simply need to select this don't sort my messages and hit save. Close the dialog box, and you will see your inbox focus and other is removed, and a single folder which is inbox is now appears. Now all your emails will be available in this single folder. That way you can very easily find out your email you are searching for. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.